everybody, welcome back to Let's Talk, and you are with me, Meera. Well guys, I really think that sometimes we take education and learning so seriously that we forget the fun in it. Well, today I'm trying to get the fun back in learning English. How? Today I have got certain words for you which are from around the world. Yes, you heard me right. English has apparently borrowed a lot of words that we use in our daily conversations that are from around the world. And today we're going to learn some of them so that you are confident the next time when you want to use any of these words in the right situation. All right, so let's get started. I'm pretty excited for this lesson because I think having fun while learning is so important. Okay, let's get going. The first word is arsenal. Any guesses what this could mean? Yes, of course. I know some of you are saying it's a football club. All of us know that. Well, today you're going to learn what the word arsenal means. It's a French word. That's something that we should know, right? Since we're talking about words from around the world, this has a French origin. And what does it mean? It means a collection of things. A collection of things which people usually use as resources. Something that they can rely on, something that they can use. Now, for example, she has an arsenal of makeup. That means I am saying that she has a huge collection of makeup products that she can use. Well, in the business world, they often use this word in something like this. For example, they would say, he has an arsenal of people working for him, right? That means they are saying he has a lot of people who are his resources and who work tirelessly for him, right? So, arsenal means a collection of things used as resources. Okay? Now, next word is zombie. Yes. Now, try and guess what is the origin of this word. Of course, not movies. This word has its origins from the West Indies. West Indies. I'm sure you guys did not guess this one. But yes, we know them as creatures of the day and night, and they try and feed on anything that is living, and they sort of multiply. But we are going to use this word in our daily conversations in English. How? Well, you can use this for a situation when you haven't slept for days and you haven't eaten anything and you just feel so exhausted, so tired, famished as well, you're so hungry. And that is the time you say, oh my God, I feel like a zombie, I need food. Right? So this is for a person who hasn't slept or eaten anything. Right? He's definitely feeling like a zombie and looking like a zombie with dark circles and droopy eyes. Okay? So you can say, you need to go home now. You look like a zombie. Stop working. Or stop watching so much of GOT day and night. You're looking like a zombie. Right? Next time you see someone looking like that, offer them a couch to rest or food to eat so that they feel better. Okay? Let's quickly move on, guys. This word is paparazzi. Quickly, try and say it with me. Paparazzi. Well, you should know that this is an Italian origin word. Yes, Italiano. Italian origin word. And this is the plural form of paparazzo. Now, paparazzi, what does that mean? It means that a bunch of photographers, right? I said plural, okay? So paparazzis are a bunch of photographers who particularly click celebrity pictures. Yes, they are the people because of whom you get to see a lot of Priyanka Chopra, Nick Jonas, Lily Singh, whatever, right? So these are the ones who click their pictures from hidden places or in front of them, and they sell it to different websites, to magazines, to newspapers, and we get to see what the celebrities are up to. So paparazzis are photographers clicking what? Celebrity pictures. Right? You remember this, right? Well, do you know that they are now commonly termed as paps, right? That's a slang word for paparazzi. Let's move on to the next word, and that's glitch. Well, any guesses what does glitch mean? Well, you should know that glitch has its origins from the Yiddish. Any guesses what Yiddish is? It's also a type of German language, particularly spoken by the Jewish community. And that's where this word has come from, glitch. It means a small problem. A small problem. Okay, this is famously used. Now, this is actually used a lot in the business world, as well as people speaking, native speakers who use this word quite often. Now, for example, my boss gives me some work to do, and I go to him like, you know what, I have completed the work, but there's a glitch. So my boss knows that there is some problem, and he would ask me, go on, tell me what is the problem. Or my mother has asked me to cook a particular dish for dinner, and when she comes home, I'm like, Mom, I've cooked the food, but there's a glitch. So she's like, what? What did you do? What's wrong? So they know that there is a small problem in something. You can also use this particular word for any technology, like there is a glitch in the camera or the phone, a small problem. Well, let's move on to the next word. The next word, this one, is pronounced as faux pas. Now, this is how I used to think before, that any word that looks in a particular way but has a completely different pronunciation has to be French. And this is indeed a French origin word. And it means a social mistake. Let me tell you what it means. Okay, let me write it down for you. It's a social mistake. Usually this mistake doesn't really harm anyone or hurt anyone in particular, right? When we say social mistake, it actually is, it means when it embarrasses someone. Or if you make this mistake, then it might just embarrass you. Now, for example, you're in the middle of a lot of oldies around, okay, and you end up saying certain F words or words which are not so welcomed in the oldies community. So what would you say? Oops, I think I made a verbal faux pas. It means you said something that you shouldn't have said, and it embarrassed you and it embarrassed the others around you. Well, do you know that this word came into use in other communities because of the fashion industry? Yes, now whenever anyone used to go wrong in some clothing or accessorizing themselves, then the journalists or the paparazzis would click their pictures and they would be termed as fashion faux pas. That means a fashion social mistake which is embarrassing. Right? So now you know when to use faux pas, when there's a small mistake that can cause embarrassment. Alright guys, moving on to the next word, which is siesta. Now try and guess that this word, what could it mean? Well, it might sound like a party or a celebration, but no. First, let me tell you that this is a Spanish origin word. Alright? And it actually means a nap. It means take a nap, particularly in the middle of the day. Yes, that's right. When this word probably must have originated, people back then used to wake up really early, take their lunch boxes with them, they used to go to work, and they used to have a bite in the afternoons and try to take a nap because they used to work really hard. And at that point, probably it was okay taking a nap at work. Well, having said that, you can use this word in your daily conversations. You can text your friend that, hey, I will talk to you soon. I'm just going to take a quick siesta. Or you can tell your parents that, Dad, if you don't mind, I'm going to take a quick siesta. I'm really tired. It means you're going to take a quick nap in the middle of the day. All right, now the next word is macho. I'm sure most of you know what this word means, but do you know the origin of this word? The origin of this word is also Spanish. All right, and what does it mean? It means a person who is very strong and masculine, also at times a little bit, just a little bit arrogant, okay? So we know this word as someone who is very strong and who is masculine with a little bit of arrogance, which comes with just knowing that, okay, I'm very strong and masculine. Now, for example, you can say that your brother is pretty macho, right? But I think he should also learn to be a bit sweet, right? Well, I know that you're a macho man, but you can try to be a little helpful. So you are strong, you're masculine, so try to be helpful towards others. Well, moving from macho, let's get to fest. Now, fest is a German origin word. And as we all know it, we love fests. But what does it mean? It means a party, a celebration where people are enjoying, having the time of their lives. They're just happy, singing, dancing, eating good food. And that's fest for you guys, okay? Party and celebrations. Just the word gets you so, happy, right? Well, so for example, have you been to the YouTube fest recently? Right? So YouTube has these amazing fests that happen all over the world in different genres, and people really love attending it. So that's a fest. You have music fests. You have all these fests which people attend. So try next time, just mark it in your calendar. Whenever there's a YouTube fest around, just try attending one and you will know how happening these fests are. Well, quickly jumping on to the next word, which is rucksack. Well, this strong sounding word originates from German language, which actually means a backpack, right? Backpack. So for example, you can say, let me quickly run and pack my rucksack for the picnic. Or you can say, let me take your rucksack and you just relax. Rucksack is nothing but a backpack. Well, now we have the last word right here, and it is pronounced as adieu, right? Adieu, it's a French origin word. Any guesses what this could mean? It means goodbye. And you very well know why I have kept this word at the end. This word means goodbye. And with this word, you know what I'm going to say. I'm going to say that that's all for the day. I'm going to see you guys very soon with another topic. Until then, just make sure that you're having fun, you're using these words in your daily conversations, and I will see you very soon. All right, guys, well, adieu. Bye.